10 Habits of Unhappy People. We all experience days or times when we feel unhappy. Nobody can be entirely happy 100% of the time. It is perfectly normal to have ups and downs in life. Ideally, we should try to minimize those down times and try to feel happy as often as possible. Seeing the negative in every situation. Most unhappy people are pessimists. Rather than trying to look for the bright side of a situation, they always find and focus on the negative. They are always expecting the worst possible outcome for any given situation. To break this habit, learn to catch yourself when you start to have negative thoughts. One thing that I have learned through meditation is that actions are triggered by feelings, and feelings are triggered by thoughts. Complaining too much. It's normal to complain every once in a while. It's just a natural way to release a little steam when things don't go the way we expected. But unhappy people seem to complain all the time. To break this habit, you first must become aware of what you're doing. Again, learn to watch your thoughts and notice when you are having a negative one. Catch yourself before you let that thought get the best of you. But if you are complaining simply for the sake of it, try not to. Feeling jealousy or envy. Rather than celebrating the successes of those around them, unhappy people will be jealous or envious of their achievements. They will talk about how that person didn't deserve it or perhaps even acted inappropriately to get it. To break this habit, make an effort to be happy for someone else's good fortune. Realize that feeling jealous or envious only hurts you and doesn't change anything. Instead, think about what you could do differently in your own life to get some of the benefits that those around you have received. Feeling like victims. Along with feeling jealous of others, unhappy people tend to feel like life just doesn't treat them fairly. They feel that any misfortune that takes place in their life is not their fault and never the result of any decision or action that they have taken. They feel like other people are out to get them, have a hard time trusting others, and question the intention of anyone who offers to help them. To break this habit, you have to first become aware of what you're thinking. Most of these habits develop because we allow our thoughts to run wild instead of making an effort to control them. Start out by determining what is making you think this way, then try to change whatever is triggering these thoughts of being victimized. Take responsibility for the events that happen in your life. I'm sure that if you look carefully, you will find someone who has more misfortunes than you. Believing they have no control. People who are unhappy tend to believe that they have no control over what happens to them. They don't see the opportunities that may be available to them to make improvements in their lives. They don't understand the power that they actually have to make positive changes for themselves and by themselves. To break this habit, think about all the areas in your life where you do have full control. Realize that all of us encounter circumstances and situations that are beyond our control and that it's normal. Learn to identify and separate those from the ones where you can have some influence. Holding on to grudges or resentment. Unhappy people have a hard time forgiving. They not only feel slighted or hurt by incidents that many others might simply brush off, but they also develop long and unnecessary grudges against people. To break this habit, realize that the number one reason people have a hard time forgiving is because they still feel anger. Figure out why you are still feeling angry about something that happened in the past. Then think about how much better you would feel if you could release all that anger. Overreacting to minor problems. For unhappy people, every little negative thing that happens in their lives can become a major occurrence. Something that to many of us would be just a temporary annoyance can be a big problem to them. To break this habit, learn to apply some perspective to the events in your life. When something happens, ask yourself, is this just a small, temporary setback? Assess it fairly instead of just overreacting to something that really doesn't warrant that much concern. Ignoring real problems. While small problems can be made into big ones, sometimes the really big problems are ignored by unhappy people. If a problem seems too big for them to deal with, they prefer to sweep it under the rug and pretend that it doesn't exist. Taking responsibility and finding a solution to a real problem that they created or keep perpetuating is more than they want to handle. To break this habit, learn to take an honest look at yourself. We all make mistakes, and there is no reason to judge yourself too harshly. But you are also not doing yourself any favors when you pretend that you are not the cause of a particular problem. Taking responsibility for your choices and actions will help you to feel more capable and empowered. That way the problem won't seem so difficult to deal with and you will be able to see noticeable progress as you work on it. Congregating with other unhappy people. As the saying goes, birds of a feather flock together. Unhappy people enjoy the company of other unhappy people because they provide affirmation for their emotions. Another unhappy person will see life the same way that they do and instead of offering them a better way, will support them and their attitude. To break this habit, identify the people in your life who tend to be unhappy, pessimistic, or complainers. If so, make a conscious choice to start minimizing how much time you spend with them, or at least to not allow their attitude or behavior to affect your own. You will see that by spending more time with people whose behavior you want to emulate, you will slowly start to think and act more like them. Living in either the past or the future. People who tend to be unhappy spend more time thinking about either the past or the future than they do enjoying the present. They are either reminiscing about a better time and past glories, or they are hoping for a brighter future. They tend to believe one of two things: either everything will magically get better one day without any effort on their part, or that things will always continue to be bad or maybe get even worse. To break this habit, become more aware and mindful of your thoughts. Understand that your thoughts will directly affect your emotions. Starting a meditation practice will greatly improve your ability to focus on the present and to not concern yourself with the future or the past. The past is forever gone, and the future will always be beyond our reach.